Hi subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you on how to plot a perimeter using bearing and distance method. That is, if you want to plot a perimeter using bearing and distance, you can get that done. Alright, with this my tools here these are set square, this is set square, this is a circular protractor, here is a scale, and this is my calculator. Alright, with this I'll be sharing with you on how to use these tools to carry out a plot, on how to use these tools to plot a perimeter using bearing and distance. Alright, just watch me as I put you through on how to get it done. Okay, starting with my first point. This is my first point. You can see we have points A, B, C, D, and E. So for my first point, I have 33 degree, 33 minutes, and the distance is 15.76 meter. Alright, so what I'll simply do is I'll bring in my protractor. Here is my protractor here, and you know this is my, from a normal elementary mathematics, we already know this is nothing, this is eastern, this is south, and this is west. Alright, so this is from here to here is 0 to 90 degree, and from here to this place is 90 degree to 180 degree, and right from here, this place to this point here is from 180 to 270 degree, and from here to this place is 270 degree to 360 degree, which make it a rod. So now you have to take note on how you place your protractor. For example, now if I should place this protractor here, now you know this is, while looking at this place here, you can see this is 90 degree, which is very wrong. Yes, it's very wrong. This is 90 degree. Now when moving this here, this is 0 degree, which is not supposed to be. From where I just drew here, you can see it's very wrong. Alright, so I have to correct that note. I have to correct that in order for us to get a good result. Now what I'll simply do is I'm going to draw my base point. I'll draw my base point. So let me use this as my base point. I'll use this as my base point. Okay, alright, so now the next thing for me to do is I'll place my protractor on this base point. So now you can see this. So what I'll simply do is I can see here this is 0 degree, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, which is very corresponding to this. Then from here to this place is 180, here to this place is 270, and close back here is 360. Alright, so that's fine. So now the starting point, my first reading says 33 degree 33 minutes. So what I'll simply do is to take note of where I have my 33 degree, and this is 30 degree, so this is definitely going to be 31, 32, 33 degree 33 minutes. So this is where it's coming, it's directing me to. So what I'll simply do is I've noted this point, and the next thing for me to do is to bring in my scale rule using the suitable scale. That is, when you watch my videos on how to plot using coordinate method, you would have explained on how you can definitely use your scale rule depending on the size, the scale you want to use, what your deliverables. Probably when you need a larger boundary, you want it to be bold enough, you want it to come out well, you have to know the type of scale to use. So you can just do it to watch that particular video on that. Alright, so now I'll be using one in 500 to carry out this. So now the distance is from my point A to B is 15.76 meters. So what I simply do is I'll bring my scale here, and then I'm going to measure 15.76 meter on this point that I note here, this particular point, using my protractor the other time. So 15.76 meters, this is 10 and this is 15. So 76 is this area here. Alright, so this is my first point. My point here is point A. That is my point A. Alright, so the next thing for me to do now is I'll bring in my protractor on that particular point now. I'll bring in my protractor. So what I'll simply do is to measure out the next point through that distance now. So the next point is 85 degree. So this is 80 degree and this is definitely 85 degree. So what I'll simply do is I'll mark this point. This is my 85 degree now, and the distance is 6.92 meters. So I'll bring in my scale using same scale. I'll measure out 6.92. So this one is 0 to 5, 5 to 10. So this is 5 meters, and this is 6 meters, this is 7 meters. So it's somewhere here. So this is my second point here. This is my point A, this is my point B. And the last point I have, sorry, there was a little mistake from this. Oh, this is my point A, this is my point B. Why this is my point C? You know, it's a close range, like it's a close observation. That is, A will direct me to B, B will direct me to C. So we started from this base point A. So from A to B, from B to C. Alright, we are going to D now. So it's going to be C to D. Alright, for C to D now, we have 136 degree 55 minutes. So I'll just bring in my protractor here. Then I'm going to measure 136 degrees. So 136 degrees, this is 130, 135, and this is 136 degree here. 35 minutes. So it's somewhere here. So I'll bring in my scale and I'll measure the distance, which says what, 11.24 meters. So I'll just do it. I'll just bring in 11.24. So this is 11.24 here meters. So this is my point D. This is my point D. Alright, now point D is now extending towards point E. So we are reading what? We are reading to 16 degree 59 minutes. So this is 200, this is 210, 215, and this is 216. 216.59. So it's somewhere here. Alright, so we'll measure the distance now from point D to E. So my distance now is 18 point, this is 10, this is 15, 16, 17, 18. So it says 18.01, so it's definitely here. And this is my point E. So what you simply do now is, this is my point E. So alright, what you simply do now is you do what? You join it together. You join those points together. That is A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E to your E to back to A. And that is how to do it. And that is how to use a protractor to, and that is how to plot using bearing and distance. When you check this, you can see it just it look like, well, you have then write out the dimensions of what you have. The dimensions of what you have. That is how to plot using bearing and distance method.